I'm Sam Crisco, founder and CEO of piZap.com. I started out in fine art, so I have a passion for creativity, enabling and inspiring people to express themselves. piZap.com is a photo collaging and decorating application. It's a vibrant community where people create pictures and share with each other. On average, a person spends over 10 minutes on the site. Today, the piZap community is worldwide. We're in 200 countries and have 40 million registered users. We started using AdSense in 2007, 6 months after launching, and we've never looked back. It was the simplest decision we ever made. Within 2 months of going with AdSense, we were cash flow positive. AdSense is so easy to use, and it really allows us to focus on development and creating an awesome experience rather than selling ads. If people love piZap, our business will be successful. Our vision for piZap is to be on all devices and all platforms. We just launched an iPad app and we're bringing it to phones this year, and AdSense is definitely coming with us.